Old Ranveer Singh, new Ranveer. Old Virat Kohli, new Virat. Old Hugh Jackman, new Jackman. Old David Beckham, new Beckham. Looks like facial hair is the new in thing, replacing the clean shaven look. Before iron smelting was invented, around 1000 BC, people found unique ways to get rid of facial hair. I don't like it, I'm going to pull it all out. Ouch! Ooh! Ah! Or shaving with seashells or flintstones. Ramses II and King Tut shaved with sharpened gold, but wore fake beards. Now I look like the gods. Alexander the Great first popularized the clean-shaven look,
so that the enemy cannot catch my men by their beards.
In some civilizations, tonsured heads and clean-shaven faces were a mark of holiness, while in others, it was the exact opposite. In 1770, French barber Jean-Jacques Perret published The Art of Learning to Shave Oneself, La Poronotomie, where he made a wooden guard to hold the razor blade in place and prevent teeth cuts. During the Victorian era, beards were associated with a rough personality, not the clean-shaven, polite gentleman.
I beg your pardon?
In 1847, American William Henson filed the first patent for a hoe-type razor. King Cap Gillette, a traveling salesman, later thought of using a disposable double-edged blade to shave, variations of which are still being used today. The first sign of a beard shows up when boys hit puberty, triggered by the hormone testosterone. Human hair grows at a rate of half an inch or 1.25 centimeters per month. Beards generally remain sparse through teen years and only get fuller in the mid-20s. The Guinness World Record for the longest beard ever measured was 17.5 feet, 5.3 meters, on Hans Landseth of Norway in 1927. Beards have always been linked to masculinity, virility, aggression, dominance and strength. Nowadays, men with full-grown beards are seen as mature father figures, less friendly but generous, who could be artists or scientists. Clean-shaven men are perceived as sociable and working in clean places such as banks or law firms. Various types of beards are now in style, like the Van Dyke,
a mixture of a goatee and a moustache,
named after a 17th century Flemish painter who used it as his signature look. The mutton chops or sideburns, also known as the Logan look. The band horse and imperial mix, which is Ranveer's current style. The constant unshaven stubble popularized by David Beckham. And the goatee, guess who that's named after? Yes, animals have beards too, but their Gillette is yet to come. Hair care rules apply to your beard as well. Shampooing, oiling, combing. I grew a goatee for this story. 4 of the last Indian Prime Ministers have had beards. Can you name them? Put your answers in the comments. Bisbo's Limerick. Beards are the new in thing, grown by sportsmen and movie stars as bling. It once grew wild, but it's now well styled to give your personality a dash of zing. If you like this video, share it with your friends and become Bisbo's friend by subscribing for free to Bisbo's YouTube channel.